So we're now going into a little dance called Mambo Magic. So we'd just like to talk a little bit first of all about the basic mambo step. It's a little bit similar to your rumba step, except that you close together on the count of 3 instead of stepping to the side. So we'll just get Ted to demonstrate the basic step. He's going to do it slowly first, and he dances left foot forward, forward, replace and close. Now the back basic is the right foot back, back, replace and close. Now when you're dancing this to the music, you'll actually count it on a rhythm of quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. So every time we talk about the basic, that is the step that you'll be dancing. So we commence the dance in closed facing position. Gentleman on his left, lady on her right, and we will dance a forward and a back basic. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We're now going to dance a check against the line of dance, releasing the gent's right hand and the lady's left hand. We're going to step through the middle, replace and step to the side. Check, replace, side. And we've adopted a double hold. From here, we dance 3 progressive runs. 1, 2, 3. We're now going to dance side chassis, turning to face our partner, side, close, side. From here now, we dance through the middle, and we dance forward, close together, and step to the side. Quick, quick, slow. We dance another 2 chassis, gentleman to his left, lady to her right. But on the first one, we have a little tap. Side, close, side, tap, side, close, side, and we've moved into promenade position. So that's halfway. Let's go back and put those 8 bars together. So we've got our basic step. Now our check against the line, check, 2, 3, and our run, 1, 2, 3. Chassis, side, close, side, cross, close, side, close, side, tap, side, close, side. Now from here we've got a fancy little kicking and tapping movement. We're going to step forward, and then the gent will have 3 actions on his right leg. The lady will have 3 actions on her left leg. So we dance step and kick forward. We tap the foot behind us, and we then tuck it in to calf height. We're now going to chassis against the line, side, close, side, and we're going to flick the gent's left and lady's right foot forward. So we better try that one again. So from the step kick, we've got step, kick, tap, tuck, side, close, side, flick. So if we just count that out for you, it is all even beats. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here now, we're going to dance outward and inward quarter turns, which is forward, side, close for both. Gentleman will turn to the left, lady will turn to the right, and we will join our inner hands at a low level. Forward, side, close. You'll see we've made a little V position, and forward, side, close will bring us back to face our partner. Forward, side, close. And we're back in our loose hold. From here now, we're going to dance a slow outward spot turn. 4 walks to the gentleman's left, to the lady's right, and we will come back ending facing our partner. 1, 2, 3, 4. The gent will place his left hand on the lady's left shoulder, and the lady will place her left hand on the gent's left shoulder. The right hands will be placed at the rear of the hip with the palms turned out. We're now going to dance 2 shoulder-to-shoulder steps which is forward replace to the side for the man, back replace to the side for the lady. We will then dance the same action on the opposite feet. So we have check, replace, side, check, replace, side, and adopt our close facing position to start again. So let's put that second half together for you from the step kick movement. So we have step, kick, tap, tuck, side, close, side, flip. Our outward quarter turns, our inward quarter turns, our slow, spot, turn, and then our shoulder to shoulder checks, 2, 3. So that's the whole of Mambo Magic. Let's see if we can put the 16 bars together. So gentleman on the left, lady on the right. This time I'll count it in rhythm for you. So we've got quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, 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 slow, quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow.